Okay, so we're going to have a quick video explaining a method for subtracting decimals. I'm going to do one example and we're going to look at a few things to look out for when you're subtracting decimals. Okay, so the question I'm going to be looking at is going to be this. 572.91 subtract 19.72. Okay, so one thing to look at first, if you recall, directed numbers, to look at, are they both positive? Have we got a positive and a negative? Have we got a negative and a positive? Or are they both negative? In this case, they are both positive. So if we were to draw this on a number line, that means, I'll just quickly do a sketch, doesn't have to be perfect. You'd be doing just a subtraction of a positive number, so we'd be going in that direction, starting at 572.91. Okay. Another thing you have to consider is the size of this number in comparison to this number. Okay. If this number is bigger than this number, then that means you're going to end up crossing zero. Okay, so you're going to end up with a negative answer. As it happens, this is smaller than that number, which means we're just going to be going back a little bit, and we're just going to end up with a smaller positive number. Okay, so that's just something to check before you do any working out. Now we know that we're just doing a straightforward subtraction. We've got a big positive number to subtract a small positive number, so our answer is going to be another positive number. We can go ahead and do it. So we're going to be using column method here. As with all column methods, make sure you're lining everything up. Make sure your decimal point is in the same place. So your subtractions should look something like this. Working your way from right to left, doing the subtractions. Now 1 take away 2. We're going to exchange 1 in the tenths column to exchange it for 10 hundredths. So that'll become an 8 there. Let me just do that at the top. So then we have 11 take away 2, well, that gives us 9. We have 8 take away 7, that gives us 1. Our decimal needs to stay in line, so we're going to put our decimal next. And then we have 9 take away 2, well, let's exchange one of these 10s for 10 units. Now we've got 12 take away 9, that's going to give us 3. And then 6 take away 1 gives us 5. 5 take away nothing gives us 5. Okay, so that means our solution to 572.19 take away 19.72 is 553.19.